So first, we're going to head over to any web browser that we want, and then we're going to type in google.co.uk or google.com, depending on where you're from. And then we want to make sure that we're signed in, and then we're going to click on the Google Apps right here. Then we're going to scroll down to the very bottom and click on Forms. Once that opens up, you can select any template you want. You can also click on Template Gallery. It has extra templates right here. But for now, we're going to head over to blank. Once we're on this, your page should look something like this, and then we can change the title to anything we want. And we can also add a description. And then we can head over to options, and then you can also change the question right here. And you can also select if it's multiple choice checkboxes or short paragraph, anything you want. And then you can also select the required tab, which means that questions are mandatory to answer. If you want to add more questions, click on the plus right here, add question. And you can keep on doing the same thing, and you can add as many questions as you want. If you want to change the theme, we're going to head over to this, click on customize theme, and then you can change the color right here. And if you want to send it, we're going to head over to send, and then you can choose if you want to send it via email or via link. And then you could just fill in all of this information and you should be good. And you can also copy the link over here.